Hi friends, welcome to a super fun game, Guess the Animal Sounds. Guess the animal. Are you ready to listen to some exciting sounds and guess which animals they belong to? Let's get started. Animals make unique sounds to communicate with each other. Let's see if you can guess which animals they belong to. Listen carefully. Which animal do you think these sounds belong to? Is it a dog, a cat, or a lion? Good guess. It's a cat. Cats make soft and gentle meow sounds. Meow. Well done. Now let's listen to the next sound. Can you guess which animal it is? What animal makes this sound? A bird, horse, or dog? Great guess! It's a dog! Dogs bark to communicate and express themselves. Woof woof! Ready for the next one? Listen closely and try to guess the animal. Which animal do you think this sound belongs to? Is it a monkey, a lion, or an elephant? Great guess! It's an elephant! Elephants try to communicate with their hooves. They have such a unique and powerful sound. Let's keep the guessing game going. Can you figure out which animal makes these sounds? Is this sound made by a rooster, a cow, or a frog? Great job! It's a rooster. Roosters crow early in the morning to wake up everyone up. Here's the next sound. Give it your best guess. Which animal do you think makes this sound? A dolphin, a zebra, or a giraffe? Fantastic! It's a dolphin. Dolphins communicate with each other using happy squeaks and clicks. They're so intelligent and playful. And the last sound, think. Which sound is it? Is it a lion, a leopard, or a fox? Great guess! It's a leopard. Congratulations on guessing all those animal sounds correctly. You did an amazing job. Animals have such a unique way of communicating, and it's fun to learn about them. I hope you enjoyed playing Guess the Animal Sounds with me. If you had a great time guessing animal sounds, subscribe to my channel for more fun adventures. Bye bye!